Yohan going to build his puzzle again together with Daddy and
the birds.
and what's the name of the birds?
Sweet and spicy.
Okay.
I wish we can name it Romeo and Juliet.
What?
I wish we can name them Romeo and Juliet.
Romeo and Juliet? No, they're both girls, I guess. I guess they're both girls, so sweet and spicy would be the appropriate name for them. Okay? So
Sweet and sweetie. How about
Okay.
sweet and sweetie?
we'll make them confused. It's gonna be sweetie and spicy. Now they're eating. I think they're having some tea. Yeah, okay. Right, so you get started over to build your puzzle now? Okay now. So what you're gonna build?
My puzzle. Doing the picture.
Where's the picture? Show it to them.
This is only the then the puzzle. Actually, it's only this. Okay, let's get started.
Let's get started. Show them the entire picture first. Okay,
No.
so that they can figure out what you're building. You don't want to show to them? Oh, show to them now. Come on. Entire photo.
Okay.
What is it? It's a forest with bears,
And pickles
hippos,
and squares.
and squirrels. Really? So you're building this together with the birds.
Yeah.
So it's a cheese.
Cheese.
Okay. Alright. Let's get started.
Daddy. Okay, it's starting to no, it's upside down.
Bless you.
Yeah. Maybe that one.
Nope. Let's continue.
This is the one.
Okay.
The bed. And it's ready.
Okay, continue now.
It's ready, Daddy.
Hmm.
So they can rest.
How's your puzzle, Yohan?
Oh, yeah.
Finishing?
Yeah. So much.
What's the word?
Slowly.
Ta-da!
Ta-da! Good job, Yohan.
I'm so fast, right?
Good job.
I'm so fast.
Show it to Spicy and Sweetie.
Here's the new French fry. Here's the French fries. Ta-da! I'm a fan.
Okay, good job, Yohan.
What? Can I say something?
Hmm.
When you guys, and you need to hide your picture for it.
Okay.
I like him and
Alam mo
Sweetie
ba
Pie.
yung binabalitan nila yung scene?
So bye-bye now.
Bye bye guys and subscribe in the button. Boop!